Welcome guys, how to download ASUS ZenBook 14 2022 versions driver download. So first you have to search on the Google search box. After that first link to right click to open new tab. You can see this is okay. You just click on first link which is www.asus.com. After that click on support. Then select it which version are you using and then click to OK. Then click on driver. Scroll down. Select operating system Windows 11. Audio driver. Scroll down. You can see different versions there. So this is a critical and this is a recommend. So guys, this one Realtek audio driver and click to download. You can see it is start downloading and require the save locations. Then click to OK. And after that you can start downloading. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. And then click to yes. Select languages which is required and then click to OK. After that next I accept the agreement. Then next install and extract. So select the Intel install and then next installed. Now you can see try to export the all drivers to your system and ready to installations. So wait few seconds to complete.